Hey, what's up everybody? So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can see your history on your Incognito tab or your Incognito tab's history. So very quickly, what you want to do is you want to type this website right here, Chrome, and then afterwards just select enter and then find the history. So over here, we already seen Chrome history. So just click on that. And as you can see here, these are all of our history available on our Chrome website. Now, honestly, I think you can't really see incognito history because again, it's incognito. Once it's deleted, you cannot see it again. But this is a good way to check if you can. But currently on my phone, it doesn't show any of the incognito searches that I have done even before filming this. So yeah, hopefully this video was able to help you out. And if it did, please do hit, of course, the like, share, and subscribe button. And we would like to see you again on the next one, only here on Telc Help Guy.